Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're looking at how you'd find the TDSI Microgarde 102 controller, how you'd find them on a network, and how you can change its IP address so you can configure it into the Gardis or Xguard software. So the first thing you need to do is download a bit of software, and it's by Lantronix, and it's called the Device Finder. So if you go to your browser and search for Lantronix device installer, it'll give you to this link here. Follow that link, and at the bottom here you can see you can install the software. So install it in the usual fashion into your machine, and once that's ready to go, we can run the program. Okay, so once that's installed, downloaded and installed, you're ready to use it. So you can just go to your menu, you're looking for Lantronix, and it's the device installer. And what that will do now, it will run and find any devices on the network. We're looking for unknown. It's a TDSI controller which is unknown. So click on that. Assign, and then click on Assign IP. Assign IP to the device, click Next. You can see my device is already done, it's on 192.168.1.10. So for this example, I'm going to change it to 99. That's our subnet mask, change its gateway. You don't necessarily need to change its gateway if it's staying on your client's network. It's just force of habit for me. So that's its IP address, subnet and gateway. Click Next. Assign that address to the device, and then you'll see the taskbar here as it progresses along. So you can see that it's completed successfully. If we click on Finish, we can now see that its IP address is 192.168.1.99. So the controller is now ready to be added to the Gardis or the Xguard software. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.